Have you just got your new Nokia 105 and you want to know how to charge it? Well, it's fairly easy. It comes with a charging brick, and if you're in the UK, it'll look like this. And also, no matter where you come from, the end will look like this. A micro USB. What you want to look for is on the top here, you can see the slot. And you want the smooth end of the slot to go in like this, and it'll slot in the top. If you put it in the wrong end, you'll see it will not push in. Do not try to force it. If it's stiff, it will not be going in and you will break the device. So you want to flip it over so it's smooth, and then you want to just press in nice and easily. And I'll show you what it looks like when you actually plug it into a power source. I'll take that off camera as I don't have a power source here on me. If you found that video helpful, we have a playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and a subscribe.